Hey guys, now you're on to the next step. You've got your battery attached to your motor is attached to your transom mount. Now it's time to turn the motor on and get on the water. So first thing you want to do is basically come around to the side of the motor here and you'll see a little silver button. You want to hold and depress that button for 4 seconds. Once the first screen comes to life, it's going to give you a screen here that says you must connect your kill switch, otherwise nothing will happen. The tiller is basically dead. So in the name of safety, guys, what we do recommend is you always have this attached to your wristband, your waist, maybe your PDF, your life vest, something along those lines. Make sure it's always attached, because if you go overboard, the motor will stop. So you attach this underneath the tiller. There's a little plug. You'll hear a little pop when you push it. Once that's installed, the screen will come to life, everything's activated, you can go out for a day on the water. All good. Next step, you've been out for the day, you've come back, and it's time to turn off your outboard motor. So the first thing you want to do is all of those steps just in reverse. You want to reach down, take off your lanyard, making sure it's still attached to your PDF or your life vest. Put that aside. Come over to the silver button. You want to hold and depress that button for 4 seconds. After 4 seconds, your battery will switch off and essentially everything is dead. You can touch anything you like, take batteries off without getting hurt.